constantly told that being mindful of our thoughts and our feelings and consciously introspecting about how we're doing in the moment and engaging in all sorts of therapeutic forms of self-care all the time is like the way to achieve happiness or to be healthy. But very often, unless you are someone who has a legitimate pathology or a legitimate clinical diagnosis, a lot of this stuff actually harms you more than it helps you. I mean, rumination and all this sort of stuff is known to cause anxiety and cause symptoms of depersonalization and derealization. And encouraging people to therapize themselves and constantly engage in self-checking and self-care is essentially rumination. So we've essentially encouraged, it's like the anti-CBT that
Yeah.
Jonathan Haidt talks about. So we've essentially created a culture where everyone is engaging in rumination in the hopes that it's going to help them, when in reality it makes things worse. And then they try to ruminate their way out of it. They try to introspect and sort of think their way out of it. Whereas you would know there's a lot of schools of therapy whose entire goal is getting people's attention to be directed outwards rather than
Mm,
inwards.
yeah.
A lot of therapy is about getting you to stop thinking about how you're feeling too much and obsessing about your thoughts and who you are. And it's about health through an outward perspective, which is, yeah, it's the opposite of what everyone's taught these days.